Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty cool little design, twisted ribbon type deal. And depending if you use thinner lines or thicker lines or the amount of edges you put on your polygon tool. And so anybody can draw this. It's pretty easy. We're going to take a polygon and we'll use six-sided. And I'm just going to hold down the control button and make it perfect. And I'm going to hit P. Now I'm going to turn it into something other than a hairline. But I'm also going to take the shape tool and I'm going to bring in, holding down on the control button or the control button, so they're even. Now convert it to a curve. Now grab all the nodes with the shape tool, go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and we're going to round it off, let's say 3 inches. See, it's saying some of the edges are too great. So let's go 1.5. And we have that shape right there. Now we can make it a little bigger by holding down the control button so it'll stay, or the shift key, so it'll stay in the center. Now we've already made it thicker than a hairline, but I'm going to make it still a little bit thicker. Now we've got to go to object and convert the outline to an object to make this work. Now I'm going to grab the interactive fill tool and I'm going to swipe across, but I'm going to go right here to fountain fill, and you come up with some presets, and I'm going to add a fountain fill to it. Now you can change this. You don't want to change it like that. I was trying to zoom in. You can change the colors of that fountain fill. You can add blues, and it's basically making one line blue. And, you could add another blue up here. It's not changing all the line. We'll put a yellow here, just kind of make it kind of stand out. Maybe put another yellow there. Now what you do, because we're working the center of the page, Control D and make a duplicate, and let's rotate it 3 degrees, and then Control D. And you could stop right there or keep going a little bit further. Now it really doesn't stand out till you put a black box around it. That really stands out. If you printed that on a black or dark shirt, that would be a pretty cool design. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.